Hey again, I want to talk in this video about some expression. You will use it a lot and help you a lot like to make your codes much simpler. So let me suppose create a new class and name it making decision decision expression, because maybe I have different expression in different places. So make sure you get this class. So if I have variable x, variable number 1 equal 10, okay, variable number 2 equal 20, and I have variable max, we'll have the max value between two numbers. How I do that? I could do it in this way by saying, hey, this is integer, and hey, if number 1 greater than number 2, you say this way, you know that. If number 1 greater than number 2, max equal number 1, you say else max should be equal number 2. Okay, this is the long way. But we could use expression, like instead all this code, I could summarize all this code saying, hey, this one will be equal what? If number 1 greater than number 2, return for me a number 1, else return for me number 2. And I will take rid from all this code. So this is named expression. So it's really amazing, and you will use it a lot. So if the condition satisfy, he will return this one. If not, he will return that one. And then you say, hey, print max, whatever max value. So now he will print the max value for you, max variable. For the first one, he should print 20 because 20 is the max one. So this is basically how you do expression with if. There is a lot of expressions with if and when. We talk now about another expression for when. So when also have expression. So suppose if someone, his age is 13, so if the age equal 13, I would say he is young, otherwise he is not. So I say is variable is young and give it when the value of the age. I will depend to make sure if he's young or not. I will depend on his age. I say, hey, take his age and check for me. If his age like equal 30, that means yes, he is young, so give it true, that is true. Else, which is the else case, give it false. Well, this will happen. Now the age is 30, you will check the age. If the age 30, you will return true, so is young will be true. So I'll say print, let me just add this one between double bracket, is young, and that is. So now because the age is 30, so you will return true. If you give it different age, you will return false. This just expressions will help you a lot when you write a code. So yes, hopefully you understand it. Hopefully it was fun. I know the expression may be a little bit complex, but still you need a lot. So I say is max 20 is young true. So yes, so just for you to keep it in your record /n here. I don't know why I always don't use /n. That is. So why he get you true for is young? Because you give it age 30, he return true for you, and he set it here. So yes, here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.